Hopefully you remember that when we put de, which means of or from, in front of le, la, l apostrophe or lay to say of thee or from thee, sometimes they form different words altogether. For instance, de plus le equals du. So if I wanted to say I come from Canada, je viens du Canada, because Canada is masculine. If I wanted to say je viens, c'est le livre de la fille, it is the book of the girl, right? De la, of the, because the girl is feminine. If I wanted to say it is the flower of the student, it's the student's flower. C'est la fleur de l'élève, right? Because élève begins with a vowel and it's singular. And if I wanted to say these are the books of the professor, ce sont les livres des profs. These are the books of the professors, because professors is plural. So, when you are dealing with the preposition a, which means at, in, or to, it's kind of the same process. A with an accent grave means at, in, or to. Now remember, a without an accent grave is the conjugation of avoir, which means he has, she has, or one has. So this accent grave really can make a huge difference, right? For instance, this word is lo, but if I add one little mark, it becomes tu. One little mark can completely change a word. That's exactly what happens on the letter a in French. So a with an accent grave means at, in, or to. All right? When I put a and le together, they form a whole new word, a word that you've been seeing over and over. Oh, remember? If I wanted to say, je vais au stade, I am going to the stadium. Okay? Now, just like de la, a la does not change. So, a la. So if I wanted to say, il va à la bibliothèque, he is going to the library. Okay? If it is before a singular before a vowel, just like de l apostrophe did not change, neither does this one. So a l apostrophe. So if I wanted to say he is on the plane, il est à l'avion. Okay? And then if I wanted to make it plural, this one does become a little different. A-U-X. Alright? And it is pronounced oh. Oh. You're beginning to realize that the A-U, and even with an X on it, is pronounced oh. Okay? So if I wanted to say nous allons aux États-Unis, we are going to the United States, because states is plural. So this would actually act like that. When we put those together, they morph into a new word, and it is oh. So this is a plus your definite article. Same type of process as de plus the definite article, but since it's a new word, it makes different words. Bonne chance.